Right then, we are in Da Nang. Ngat and Will, who isn't very well, are in the room having a sleep. So I thought I'd take the chance to go down to My Khe Beach and have a look around. So here we go. We have some typical Vietnamese deck chairs, all covered over. Westerners tend to sit in the sun and burn like lobsters. Vietnamese, oh no, fully clothed or fully covered. I've seen this before in Vung Tau as well, very Vietnamese style. No room for sunbathing here. So I'll walk us down to the beach. As you can see, it's very busy. It is the Vietnamese holiday, so basically you're going to see a lot of people here, and they always tend to come down around this time, 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, because it's a lot cooler. Very busy, plenty going on here. I've seen parasails and jet skis and boats, people going around having a good time. Nice powdery white beach, lovely to walk on. Well guys, it's a gorgeous beach. As you can see, it's very busy. So I would say typically Westerners don't come to Vietnam in their summer time. They tend to stay at home. But if you do have to come, you'll have to expect this. So I'd say July and August are not the greatest times to come to Vietnam. In the north, it's terribly hot, up to 40 degrees. September, a bit better, but it's a bit slightly wet in the north. Central regions, you're starting to hit the wet season, September, October through to December, sometimes into January as well. So, best time to come through the whole country, I would say, would be March and April. But of course this is all academic if nobody can travel. So I'm just bringing you Vietnam wherever I am. So I'm signing off for now. I'll catch up with you later. Cheers.